If you love crispy food, faster cooking, and fewer kitchen gadgets cluttering your countertop, then you're going to want to see this. Today, we're reviewing the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo, a powerful all-in-one appliance designed to replace multiple cooking devices in your kitchen. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's be honest. Most kitchens are packed with gadgets: air fryers, toaster ovens, grills, pizza ovens, and dehydrators. The problem? They all take space and still don't always deliver perfect results. Maybe your fries aren't crispy enough, your pizza cooks unevenly, or grilling indoors just doesn't taste the same. That's exactly where the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro changes the game. This smart countertop oven combines air frying, grilling, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and more into one powerful machine. And thanks to its ultra-fast convection system, it cooks up to 3 times faster while delivering food that's up to 35% crispier than traditional air fryers. Imagine making restaurant-style fries, perfectly roasted chicken, or char-grilled steaks, all without leaving your kitchen. And here's something that makes a big difference: even cooking on multiple racks. If you've ever baked cookies or roasted vegetables only to find one side burnt and the other undercooked, you know how frustrating that can be. The upgraded convection technology in this oven distributes heat evenly from top to bottom, reducing temperature fluctuations and giving you consistent results every time. Another standout feature is the smart digital temperature probe. Instead of guessing when your steak or chicken is done, the oven monitors the internal temperature and automatically stops cooking once the perfect doneness is reached. That means no more overcooked meat or constant checking. And for grill lovers, this appliance includes a professional grill plate that produces real char-grilled flavor with those signature diamond grill marks. You get the taste of outdoor grilling, but without the smoke, mess, or weather problems. Plus, the interior space is huge. With a 30-quart capacity, you can cook meals for the entire family. 2 pizzas, a large roast, or a full chicken can fit comfortably inside. What I really like about this appliance is how customizable it is. You can control the fan speed, heating element ratios, temperature, and presets, allowing you to fine-tune the cooking environment according to the food being cooked. For example, if you're baking pizza, you can boost the bottom heating element for a crispy crust while keeping the top at a lower setting for perfectly melted cheese. That level of control is something most countertop ovens simply don't offer. And because it reduces oil by up to 95% compared to deep frying, you still get that crispy texture while making healthier meals. Another thing worth mentioning is the build quality. The stainless steel construction feels solid and professional. No cheap plastic smell, no flimsy trays. It's clearly designed for long-term use. So, who is this oven really for? It's perfect for busy families, home cooks who want versatility, small kitchens that need space-saving appliances, and even RV or motorhome owners who want powerful cooking in a compact footprint. Instead of juggling 5 different kitchen gadgets, this single appliance can handle almost everything. And once you start using the presets and memory functions, cooking becomes incredibly easy. You just select your recipe, press a button, and let the oven do the work. If you're looking for faster cooking, crispier food, and a smarter way to prepare meals at home, the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo is definitely worth considering. Back-end index pointing right, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if you enjoy honest product reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen gadget discoveries. Don't miss out. Grab yours today and upgrade your cooking experience.